Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to send 1000 automated messages on Instagram. MKT Insta is a powerful tool that helps you send bulk messages to hundreds, even thousands, of followers on Instagram with just one click. No more staring at your phone all day. No more account blocks. No more messages that never get read. With MKT Insta, you can select the right target audience, your followers, people who interacted with your posts, or even a custom UID list. Create personalized messages by inserting the customer's name, set up smart delay and speed to avoid spam and ensure complete safety, send messages using multiple accounts at once for explosive inbox growth. Now let me quickly show you how it works. Step 1. Open the MKT Insta software and log in to your Instagram account. Step 2. Add your message content to the software. First, create a category, then add your message and save it. Step 3. Go to the Send Message section, configure your message settings, and select the audience you want to target. In this case, I'll choose followers. Step 4. Set the number of messages, delay time between each one, and click Start. That's it. Your messages will now be sent automatically, professionally, and to the right audience. MKT Insta has already helped thousands of sellers increase customer inquiries by 3 to 5 times per day. If you're selling on Instagram, this is the most powerful tool to help you scale fast. If you want to experience the software, feel free to contact me. I've left my info in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.